everybody, welcome to my channel. Yes, I'm showing you guys this video a little bit later than what I usually do. Is because I was tired. We got home late last night and I'm like, you know what? I'm going to wait and do my Dollar Tree video when I'm all like ready to go, leave my house and everything. But yes, I did pretty good on my Dollar Tree haul. There has not been a lot of wants that I've been wanting. I don't know if my blush is just crazy. But I haven't been seeing a lot of things that I just need to have. But I haven't been watching a lot of Dollar Tree haul videos. But I went to a Dollar Tree yesterday near Milwaukee, Wisconsin. It was like right near Milwaukee. It was one I never went to before. And they had like a sign that says a snack zone. And I'm like, oh, that sounds cool. We go inside and they got these coolers like in a circle and it says snack zone. And they got tons of different kind of drinks and stuff that I've never seen at a Dollar Tree before. So I was pretty excited about that. And then they had another area with a whole bunch of snacks. It was just like the one we went to when I was in Florida, and I'm just like, why don't we have one of these? I've never noticed anything, but just Dollar Tree was kind of cool. I liked the store, but there was not one shopping cart available in the store. The whole store had, like, one of their coolers must have broke or something, so they had all their drinks in all the coolers. And I have a kid that's like just a maniac, so it's like I wish I had a shopping cart. So there's no carts. The store it needed to be faced, but I'm used to that. I'm used to trashy Dollar Trees, so I'm not complaining about that. Some Dollar Trees I go to are super nice, and some Dollar Trees that I go to are just, it's like they don't care, which I'm like, whatever. I'm not going to complain about that. But there was only one cashier, and there was at least 8 people in line. I'm like, come on, you guys. Can you open another register? This is crazy. But husband wasn't a big fan of it. I liked it. I go again, yes, because they had stuff that I've never seen before. They had like the whole napkins. Like I always see people talk about napkins, and it's like, where do you guys find these napkins? And they had like a whole thing full of napkins. I'm just like, ah, that is awesome. What crafts can I make with them? But I couldn't think of anything at the time. But I'm gonna dig in and share with you guys what I got at the Dollar Tree. So the first thing we got is this little styrofoam airplane. Ben's been playing with like a little paper airplane that he made at his little daycare thing that he goes to once a week. And I thought, why not? So Graham thought this would be cute to have. So this would be something we're going to build with Ben. It's like a little plane, it's a foam glider, but I think this is super cute. I used to pay for or play with something like this, and for $1 you can't go wrong with it. So this is a great little thing to play with Mr. Benjamin. Now I also got this hat. No, I got a strainer. I have a big strainer, and like it takes up a lot of space when I'm doing like my dishes and stuff in my dishwasher. So I thought, why not get like something a little smaller, handheld, a little bit easier, because most of the time I'm just cooking macaroni and cheese if I'm doing noodles, and I don't need a big strainer or colander is what you guys call it. So I just thought this would be something cute. It's for $1. I'm like, I'll try it for $1. We'll see how well it works. I mean, it seems pretty okay, so, and why not try it? I found these, which I was kind of excited for. There's tons of different smells. I didn't like a lot of the smells, but I thought, you know what, I'm gonna try it. But this is the pomegranate orchard smell, and it is a reed diffuser. It's a fresh, clean scent. It sounds like it's just basically one of those bottles, and then you put those sticks in there, and then the aroma comes out. So I thought, you know what, for $1, I'll try this. I thought that was pretty cute. I'm hoping maybe if I like it, I might find more. And then here is like, it looks like it's just a bar of soap, but it's just an air freshener, and it's the pomegranate orchard smell. And it's just like a little, it looks like a bar of soap is basically what it is. But you just hang it from somewhere, and then, oh, it does smell good. It smells very florally, but you just hang it from somewhere, so I thought, why not? You could put that in your car. Actually, I should probably put that in the car. Especially in the summertime, you know, let it kind of melt in there. It smells really good. So I got those. I thought those were pretty cute. Ah, my receipt. Oh, I knew the husband was going to find this. So this is some seasoning. It's Tajin. It looks like it's Hispanic or Spanish seasoning. I'm not sure. But it's a cute little thing. I think husband grabbed that. So if he wants it, he can grab it. Now this is something new that I saw. It is Pure Silk Spa Therapy. It is coconut body oil, so it's formulated to restore health to skin, nails, and hair. Glide on skin that looks and feels smooth as pure silk. It just kind of looks like an oil. It is an oil. What am I thinking? But I thought they had it in the coconut and then they had it in a tea. I don't like tea. I don't like the smell of tea. So I thought, you know what, this smells pretty good. I never tried it, so let's see. So it's just like a regular liquid. It smells good. It reminds me of suntan lotion. But, yeah, it doesn't leave that oil. I mean, there's like a little bit of oil, probably because it's still on my fingers. But, yeah, it actually feels pretty good. So I saw that. I'm like, you know what? I'm going to try it to see if it works. You know, certain areas of my skin, like I might put it on my tattoos because I got 5 tattoos. So I'm like, why not put it on that? Husband found this in the snack zone. Now, we got these when we were in Florida. But he wanted to get more, and for a buck, you can't go wrong. Now, he loves energy drinks. I cannot drink them. I won't drink them. I can't stand them. But we ended up getting the Enraged Raspberry. We got a Gyrating Grape, a Sinful Citrus, Gyrating Grape, another Sinful Citrus, and then the Raspberry. So he got those. I'm like, whatever, if you're going to drink them, you're going to drink them. It's 100 calories per can. Whatever, I'm not judging, but he ended up picking all those up. I'm like, if you're going to take those, fine, but I get to pick some stuff that I want. So we got that. And then Ben's birthday party is coming up in like 2 months. And I'm like, we need to get some stuff because we're doing an Easter egg hunt for his birthday party. So I thought, I'm like, stickers are fun to give to kids, and these are like the 3D ones, and there's like beads inside these. So I thought I'm gonna cut these up, and right here, this is like 45 eggs right there that can have a sticker for the kids. So I got Minnie Mouse and Daisy. I got Mickey and the Roadster Racer, so it looks like it's Mickey, Goofy, and Donald, and then I got Frozen. So I thought those would be super cute to put in the eggs for the party. I'm just gonna cut those up, so you can't go wrong with that. My son was shopping at somewhere and he wanted these, and I'm like, no, I am not paying $7 for a thing of chalk. So basically what this is just like a little thing that explodes. It's like, I don't know, it's like a cloth with broken up chalk in it is basically what it is.
Oh,
and then
you put that on your shirt.
Oh, you put it on your shirt? Yeah. You can throw it on the ground, or he says you can throw it on your shirt, but thought that'd be a little thing to play with him for that. And then we found a bucket. Now, we got one of these buckets when we were in Florida, but we left it at the hotel.
Here's Quinn.
Okay, hold on, honey. But I found him a little bucket. He's going to be playing in his little play, or his water thing. And
you put this on your shirt.
Oh. So, got a little bucket for him. Here's your bucket. Here's your bucket, too, honey.
Daddy, you put that on your shirt, Daddy.
Okay. There you go. Go show Daddy. Watch out for the cord. Okay, go show Daddy. Now, they had a bunch of Shopkins markers, like a 3-pack of markers I thought were super cute. They weren't scented or anything, but I thought those are super cute. But then I found these little Pipsqueak Skinnies. There are 4 washable markers in here, and it's this red, just like your 4 main colors. I thought these would be cute for Ben to have, you know, and they're washable. So he's been into markers lately. As long as he's being watched, he can play with those markers. And then, as you guys see, I held this in the past before, but these are made out of plastic. Ben barely even stepped on it, and they broke, and I'm just like, come on, come on. And I still want to use this for something. I'm just trying to figure out what. So I ended up getting it in the blue and the pink. They didn't have any purples, but I've been on a hunt to find these again, and I'm glad I did. So I was thinking of maybe hanging some of my wreaths on them or something. Like, they're great for like jewelry, or they say, yeah, a belt hanger, but I'm not hanging belts because I only wear like 1 belt. But you know what, I'm saving those for something. I just got to keep it away from my kid because those broke super easily. And then the last item I got is this little gift bag. I love bags. I am like a bag hoarder. I love bags, but I ended up getting this little donut bag. I thought this was super cute. I just had to get it for a bag with donuts on it. I love donuts. I even had a donut today. So yeah, but had to get the bag. I thought it was super cute, and I've been using reusable bags like crazy. I love using reusable bags. I just need to use more of them and bring them everywhere I go. So wanted to share with you guys on that. But yeah, that was my Dollar Tree haul. Not a lot of stuff, but I got some decent, you know, new items that I was pretty excited to try, and it does feel pretty good. And now my hand smells like sunscreens or suntan lotion or whatever. But yeah, not a lot of wands. I'm just waiting for the 4th of July stuff to go away, because then we'll be seeing back to school stuff, I think, and fall stuff, which I'm super excited because I am ready to get, I don't want summer to leave, but I'm ready to start getting fall crafts started. I want to start selling them, you know, for the holidays and stuff, and see if I can have some extra cash in my pocket. So I wanted to bring you guys with that. But I hope you guys enjoyed my Dollar Tree haul. I know it's a lot of random stuff, but I was pretty excited to see what I found. I hope you guys all have a wonderful day, and I will see you guys all next time for another Dollar Tree haul. I also want to mention to you guys, I will be doing a giveaway, not anytime soon, but I am starting to gather items. So I am going to start doing a giveaway once I hit 25,000 subscribers. I'm so close from hitting 20,000. I might even do a giveaway when I hit 20, but I just want to give you guys a heads up that I'm starting to get items for a giveaway. I'm going to do a big giveaway, give lots of giveaways away to people, so be prepared for that. But again, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys all later. Thanks for watching again. Bye bye.